All right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us their wireless bone conduction headphones. These are the M100s, and as you can see by the photo, bone conduction headphones don't actually go into the ear canal. They sit right outside the ear. Now, with that being said, you're not going to get that super bass that you may like from your songs because there's nothing actually in your ear canal. Hopefully that makes sense. Nothing on the top, nothing on the side, nothing on the other side, just part number M100, which is the model number on the bottom. And then the back just gives you a little picture and shows you they're IP67 waterproof, open ear design, 8 hours of music and call, titanium fit, to connect to computer, business office, PC, any Bluetooth device. They have multi-point pairing and their aptX HD lossless sound quality. So let's open this on up. Very nice. Slide our box out of this. Ooh, nice. All right, so right on top here, we have our accessories. What's in our accessories box? Ooh, looks like we got a carrying case. That's it for in the accessories box. So we have a, wow, very lengthy user's manual, but it tells you everything, how to pair them, how they work, etc. Now we do have what looks like a little carrying case here. So that's pretty nice, little velour filling carrying case. Then we have some actual ear plugs. That's because, like I said, they don't go in your ear, but you could put these in your ear to block out some more of that sound. Then this little device seems to give it Bluetooth for a computer, so you could plug this into the computer and be able to use these. That's pretty nice. And then this is an included USB Type-C cable for charging. Very long length there, love that. And then lastly, that's it for the box, these are the actual headphones. So we have a little logo here. Then here's our USB-C charging port on the bottom right there, plus and down buttons right there. And then there's also a button here. And outside of that, there's no other buttons. So one button on the left side, and then the volume rockers on this side. But I love that it's one thing. It's, you know, you're not gonna lose one and not have the other one, etc. That's just the little design on them and the logo there. They look exactly like you see in the picture and truly look really good. Now, as I mentioned, you're not gonna get that crazy bass thumping that you'd get out of Beats because these are bone conduction headphones. They don't go in the ear canal, so keep that in mind. These are designed for a very specific type of people who like to maybe more hear their surroundings and just have their music playing almost like, you know, they're in an elevator or something. So again, thanks to this company for sending these out to us to create an unboxing video for you, and thank you all for watching. We will see you in the next video. Deuces.